believe cooking can be easy for everyone. That's why we designed the Chef IQ Smart Cooker. With a seamlessly integrated app for quicker, better cooking at the push of a button. Prep elevated meals in minutes with guided cooking recipes. And create dishes up to 70% quicker with features like the built-in scale and auto pressure release. Discover your inner chef, while your smart cooker just keeps getting smarter.
A lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of Fold-Eat is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just one or maybe two containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in one. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We designed them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator, so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. Fold-Eat's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, Fold-Eat has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back Fold-Eat now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.
Smart, app-enabled walk-away cookware that does the cooking for you. Simply turn on the stove, add your ingredients, and when it reaches the required temperature, switch off the stove and walk away. Your food continues to cook without the need for gas or electricity, and then stays hot for hours. The secret is the double wall construction that sandwiches a thermodynamic layer of air between 2 sheets of 1810 stainless steel. It traps heat and moisture inside the pan like a thermos bottle, so you heat it for just minutes and it cooks for hours, all by itself, off the stove, no stirring, no tending. With the Zager app, you can choose from delicious, healthy recipes prepared by our expert chefs who have done all the thinking for you. Zager's unique self-cooking process means your food retains more nutrients and is always cooked to perfection. Zager cooks without direct heat, so it's impossible to burn while it's self-cooking. And its unique self-basting lid keeps your food moist and succulent, locking in more flavour. Simply add the ingredients to the pan, heat it up to the required temperature, then turn off the stove and walk away. Your food continues to self-cook while you get on with your day. The Zager app, meanwhile, remotely monitors your cooking and notifies you when your food is cooked. It comes with a steamer that doubles as a slicer and grater and a meat rack, allowing you to cook complete meals at once. Cook hearty soups, stews, or your favourite pot roast. Steam a basket of healthy, nutritious vegetables. Grate fresh Parmesan cheese over your favourite pasta. And best of all, food stays at the ideal eating temperature for hours without reheating. We have spent over 2 years perfecting and testing every aspect of Zager to ensure that it meets the highest standard of design and manufacture, as well as looking great in your kitchen. It is also the best conventional cookware you will ever own. It combines timeless cooking principles with the latest technology. So stop slaving away in your kitchen and let Zager walk-away cookware do the cooking for you.